Guys, today I'm going to take this chunk of beam here that's 22 inches wide, it's 2 inches thick, and a little over 10 feet long, and I'm going to make it into shelves for a client who works for the salon that I did some work for earlier this year. Basically, they've taken an old closet and they've removed the door and they've kind of changed the walls around a little bit. So I'm going to cut this into shelves that will appear to be floating. I don't know if they're technically floating shelves because they'll have walls on three sides of them, but there won't be any visible hardware. So I'm going to get started. As I was kind of anticipating, this one here has a split on one of the seams. So I'm going to glue that together. I had another one like this yesterday that is done gluing. And so I will throw some glue on that, put it in the clamps, and it'll be good to go here in just a minute. Now what I'll do with these 1/2 inch by 1 inch rectangle tubes is I'll drill 3 holes in them. These will mount to the side walls. I'll router a channel into the edges of each of these shelves, and then the shelf will slide on, and you won't see these because they'll be completely engulfed in this channel, and the front will be solid. You won't see it from the front either. I'll stop my channel just short of the face of the shelf.